Yeah, and it's safe to say Newport News is in good hands with all of the living legends that keep coming back and giving back. The new Michael Vick Teen Center that was unveiled today has been something Vick has wanted to do for a while, but he says he wished he had done it earlier. But timing is everything, and home is too.
I mean, I grew up here. I still come back and see the people who helped me make decisions over the years, told me what to do, what not to do, was stern when they needed to be, and I respect that at this point in my life, and we want to keep that going. We don't want that cycle to change. We want, the administration to continue to have heavy involvement and be excited about it, and we want the kids to feel good about where they at and be happy to come here. So I think that's all important. We just have to continue to be visionaries and make it happen for them because, they just living through it. We've been through it, and, I respect that part about, where we all are and our focus and our purpose.
Speaking of the work that's been done here, back in August, Alan donated the court. How proud are you of each other just to see what you guys are doing in the places that you grew up?
Yeah, well, Alan set it off, and like I said, we're from Newport News. We grew up here, we grew up around the people, and we understand what it's like to be in the shoes of young kids who visit this Boys and Girls Club, and all we want to do is create opportunity. We want them to feel the things that we've felt. It may come on a different level of success or in a different profession, but it's everyone understanding what's most important, and that's creating a better life for themselves and learning that at a young age. So that's what me and Alan got.
Anybody else? Anybody?
We've seen Mike Vick, the philanthropist, seen Mike Vick, the analyst. We also saw on Atlanta FX Mike Vick, the actor. You got a little cameo there on Atlanta FX.
I did. Got a cameo and got a residual check a couple weeks ago, so the TV life is good. But, I mean, it was one of the moments, man, just another opportunity to do something different, and my wife said go do it, and I did it, and I really enjoyed it. Not the time it took to shoot that part. It took about 4 hours for one part, but, that's the TV world.
About to say, maybe you got some more acting roles up your sleeves down the road, huh?
Nah, man, I think Fox Sports is good enough. They molded me the right way, and I'm loving, being on TV and being able to share my expertise as an analyst.
In that clip in Atlanta that he appeared in, the actor said he did 6 races in 10 minutes. He doesn't work out every day now, but I would still not test Michael Vick in a foot race. I don't work out every day either, and even if I did, I wouldn't test Michael Vick in a foot race. Hey, it's